Hi everyone, and welcome to Free Range Diva. Today's video is going to be about whether or not there is a downside to collagen supplementation, and if there is, what the downside is. My regular viewers who are older and wise, you probably know a lot of this already, and you probably have very good reasons for supplementing collagen if you do. But these collagen videos get a lot of younger viewers watching them, and so that's why I wanted to direct my comments specifically to younger women. And in general, there might be a few things in this video that some of my older, wiser viewers might find informative and interesting as well. So let's get started. This video was prompted by an email exchange that I had with a viewer who wrote to me asking if it was necessary to consult with her doctor if she wanted to supplement with collagen. So I asked her, I said, it depends on what your reasons are. You know, if you have any health issues, it's best to talk to a doctor to make sure that collagen supplementation is appropriate. She wrote back saying that she was perfectly healthy, was 23 years old, and could she go ahead and supplement? So there was a bit of a back and forth while I tried to figure out why she wanted to supplement with collagen, and ultimately it was because she was afraid of getting older. She didn't want to look older. Our culture today, as many of you already know, is very youth obsessed. There is a human drive that we all have. It goes back to paleo times of needing to feel like we are seen, that we are acknowledged, recognized. We want to leave a mark. There is also a deep-seated human drive to mate and procreate, another way of leaving your mark. Social media has only intensified these drives, and these days it's very competitive and it's visual. So many young women feel the need to remain young looking, at least look young, in order to be able to compete and to be relevant. The marketing of collagen supplementation taps into this insecurity, as does the cosmetic industry, but that's a rant for another Saturday. But as a result, many young women feel this pressure and have these unrealistic expectations and believe that collagen supplementation will be their solution. This is the first downside that I want to talk about today, and that is unrealistic expectations and the inevitable disappointment. Social media pressure results in the belief that in order to be relevant, you have to look as young as possible and stay as young as possible. And the marketing for collagen supplementation taps into this insecurity as a potential solution. Here's the truth. Our bodies make plenty of collagen to support supple and bouncy skin when we're young. And although production slows as we age, it only slows by about 1% per year, which is practically imperceptible. We don't even start to notice it until maybe we're in our 40s when this production speeds up, this loss of collagen rather, starts to speed up. And as collagen production slows down, then we start to see the signs of aging as we know them, the wrinkles, the loss of volume, the loss of elasticity. And starting supplementation in your 20s is not going to change this because we can't stockpile collagen in our bodies. We don't need to supplement collagen to keep our skin youthful and young looking. If you want your skin to stay youthful and fresh as long as possible, here are a few tips. Number 1, don't smoke. Number 2, eat a nutritious diet with nutrients like vitamins and minerals and amino acids and antioxidants, especially glycine-rich foods. And glycine is an amino acid that encourages the body to build more collagen. Glycine-rich foods includes things like chicken, beef, fish, dairy, eggs, and beans. So eat those, as well as nice, colorful vegetables. Number 3, drink a lot of water. I repeat, drink a lot of water. Take it from the personal experience of an elderly woman. When I wake up in the morning and look in the mirror, you can see the signs of aging, the wrinkles, the sagging, the drooping, the overall dryness. I drink a full glass of water. Then I drink another glass of water, and by the time I've taken my shower and done my skincare, my skin is all plumped up and nicely bouncy with a lot of elasticity like you see right now. So drink water. You need to stay hydrated on a cellular level. And number 4, wear sunscreen. That's pretty much it. To this young lady, I suggested that she drink bone broth and take vitamin C. She wasn't really happy with my suggestions. I suspect that she probably is going to go ahead and supplement with collagen anyway. The second downside that I want to talk about is side effects. When I did my Collagen 101 video back in 2018, the first video I did on collagen, we didn't know a lot about side effects at that point. Studies had basically just been done on elderly or the senior population, as well as athletes who had suffered wear and tear on their joints over the course of the years. Now we know more, and there are unfortunately some unpleasant side effects. These include gas, bloating, heartburn, diarrhea. This is starting to sound like a Pepto-Bismol commercial. Uncomfortable feeling of fullness, allergies, rashes, and acne. More serious, but fortunately uncommon side effects include liver fibrosis caused by excessive amounts of type 1 collagen, hypercalcemia, which is an overaccumulation of calcium in the body, and kidney stones. The third downside that I want to bring to your attention is the necessity of weighing the benefits of collagen against the cost. In other words, the return on your investment. The results that you get from collagen may very well not meet your expectations, leaving you not only disappointed, but a lot poorer, because quality collagen supplements are expensive. Listen, collagen has been proven to help with gut health. If you have leaky gut, SIBO, dysbiosis, it can calm and heal your digestive tract. It's the amino acids in it. It calms inflammation, it can reduce pain, it can even help to rebuild bone density. There is recent research that shows it may play a role in preventing coronary artery disease, and in seniors, it's been shown to improve skin hydration and elasticity. But wrinkles, and I recreated the Verisol study, did it for 12 weeks, saw absolutely no change in wrinkles. If anything, I kind of got more. But as far as wrinkles, strengthening nails, hair growth, there may be some potential, but so far the evidence is only anecdotal. And my nails, which should have really gotten better over the years, just got worse, which is why I've taken a break from using nail polish, because I want to give a chance to really kind of improve. If you go through a stressful event, supplementing collagen is not going to stop your hair from falling out. If you have an illness, it's not going to prevent your hair from falling out. If your hormones are out of balance, it's not going to prevent your hair from falling out. And until those things are addressed, your hair may or may not grow back. It certainly didn't prevent my hair loss from COVID. High quality collagen is expensive, and the cheaper usually indicates low quality. So only you can determine if the cost is actually worth it based on the results that you're getting. Now, for me, I do supplement collagen, have for the last 5 years mostly, and I'll explain that in a minute. I have a pinched nerve in my back and degenerative disc disease. And supplementing for me has been a game changer, not only for reducing pain, but increasing my mobility. In other words, my back and my lower back, the nerve stays calm, much calmer, as long as I supplement regularly. And this was confirmed last year when I accidentally stopped. I had a senior moment. These things happen. I did not intend to, but I habitually would use collagen in my morning coffee. Well, I stopped drinking coffee. And so I forgot. I just forgot to put it in something else. And so several months went by, and as a result, yeah, I did feel the change in my back. And I'm still recovering from the activation of that nerve that happened in the fall of last year. The fourth sort of downside is that even the highest quality collagen supplements are still processed. It's still a processed food. And by high quality, I mean that the company is sourcing hides that are grass-fed, 100% grass-fed and grass-finished, that are free from herbicides and pesticides and hormones. Because low-quality collagen can be sourced from contaminated sources. That includes GMOs, pesticides, herbicides, bacteria, and pollution. The collagen that I do recommend and have taken for years is the Perfect brand collagen. That's because of their sourcing as well as their transparency as far as testing and maintaining how they maintain those high quality standards. And yes, full disclosure, I am an affiliate with that company. After buying and using the product for about a year, I contacted them and asked if I could join their affiliate program. And everything that I get from them to this day, I order it and pay for it myself, although I do use my coupon code, and I will put it below for you so that if you want to use it, you can use it too. So to sum everything up, my final thoughts for the day are: collagen supplementation is generally regarded as safe and can be extremely useful if you're trying to manage a chronic condition like arthritis, joint pain. Its benefits are that it has amino acids that can be very soothing and healing for the gut lining, especially if you have leaky gut or any other digestive issues. It is anti-inflammatory, which can help you with joint pain and joint mobility, as well as helping to rebuild bone. And it can improve skin elasticity and hydration in the senior and elderly population. The research has indicated that adults can safely consume between 2.5 and 15 grams of collagen per day. So check your scoop size and remember that, scoop size in your supplement. And remember that the suggested amount used on the label is just that. It's a suggestion. Now, as I just said, 15 grams is considered the upper limit of safety for a serving size, and yet I have seen labels that have listed their serving size as 20, 30 grams per serving. So it's up to you to do your own research, and yes, check with your healthcare professional to make sure that collagen supplementation is something that is going to be valuable for you in your health and wellness journey. That's where I'm leaving it with you today. If you enjoyed this video, I really would appreciate a thumbs up and a subscribe if you'd like to come back and see more from me. Also, if you have any thoughts on collagen, please put them in the comments below, and have a great week. So until I see you in my next video, I'm going to wish you a wonderful day, wonderful week. Take good care of yourselves, and I will talk to you again very, very soon. Bye.